some alone time. Adrian's about to leave. He's going out of town for work. And yeah, so we're trying to have some alone time before he leaves. It's Thursday. He leaves Saturday. So yeah, nothing special, but like I said, just some alone time, getting us some food. Got to get some crab.
Set.
You ready to leave?
Ready to go on a business trip?
Same difference. I see I did my little makeup today. Ain't even really no makeup. All I did was add some concealer to conceal these dark spots. I did my eyebrows and the locks. I like it. I retwisted them yesterday and I think I'm Target, getting some toiletries and stuff because my husband leaving me, like I said.
Business trip.
Anyways, and then I also came the other day and got my eyes looked at, and they said I needed some readers. So while we're in here, I guess we'll go ahead and go to the optical store and see if I can find some readers. Alright, y'all, so we just picked up the rental. He got a Jeep. We at the gas station now getting gas, so that in the morning when he leaves, he can just hop on the road. And yeah, but this Jeep is nice, y'all. It made me want to get a Jeep now. It's a Wrangler. I think it's like a 2020. Going out tonight with my homegirls. I think we plan on going to go get some crab legs, some seafood, and then we'll probably go somewhere and get some drinks after that. So I'm gonna just bring y'all it. First things first, I'm about to brush my teeth, take my shower, and y'all gotta help me figure out what I'm about to wear because I need clothes. I don't have clothes. I haven't felt pretty since I had Araya, which was 4 years ago. So I hadn't been shopping since, and the girl just needs some clothes. So we just gonna make work with what we got. Cold natured, so I don't want to wear anything that's going to have me cold, but I don't want to wear anything that's going to have me hot either. So I really don't know what I want to wear, but I do want to wear my thigh boots. You want to? Can you watch?
What's that? I want to.
I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it. Okay.